Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another new video. I hope आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे, आपकी पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी चल रही होगी. And this video is very informative for you guys. So video को end तक देखना and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So देखो guys, I have been studying for years. JEE prep, college work, assignment, project, I have done it all. And today I'm gonna tell you something that might sound a little crazy, but this is the truth. So most of the work I do now, AI does it for me. And इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि I am saying AI is replacing your hard work, your intelligence. No. It amplifies it and it helps you become 10x more productive in your daily life. So let's be honest. स्टूडेंट लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ रिपीटेटिव वर्क. तुम आधे से ज्यादा अपना पढ़ाई का वक्त बर्बाद करते हो प्रोजेक्ट फॉर्मेशन में, असाइनमेंट फॉर्मेटिंग में, या फिर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए रिसर्च करने में, या फिर एक लॉन्ग वीडियो देखने में जिसका समराइजेशन 2 मिनट में हो सकता है. सो नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट. हाउ मच ऑफ योर स्टडी टाइम एक्चुअली गोज इनटू लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स और हाउ मच इट गोज इनटू मैनेजिंग योर स्टडी. सो व्हाट इफ I told you that students across the world are cutting these wasted time by 80% using AI. जब most of the people are busy scrolling reels या फिर thinking that AI might take their job, the smart one is using it. They are using AI to create summarized notes from a long chapter in minutes, generating practice problems and quick solution instantly. They are also using AI to explain tough physics or chemistry formula टू सिंपल फॉर्म. एंड इवन कुछ लोग तो अपने प्रेजेंटेशन या रिपोर्ट भी ऑटोमेटिकली एआई से जनरेट कर रहे हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, दैट्स नॉट द फ्यूचर. दिस इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. एंड जो लोग ये एआई यूज कर रहे हैं, most of them are not coders or high-tech people. They are simple students like us and they are learning how to work smarter, not harder. So the reason I'm telling you this because I recently came across an AI platform called B10X AI, which is helping students like us master these tools in the most simpler and practical way possible. So उन्होंने एक ecosystem बनाया है जहाँ you can learn how to use AI not from the theory but how to use AI in your daily life, in your studies, projects, assignments, or even internships. And that's where I realized that it's not about AI taking over our jobs, but it's about learning to work with it. So while most of the students are busy searching PDFs, making notes, and learning same thing again and again, the smarter ones are using these AI platform and mastering new skills like data analysis, or automation and many more. And guess what? They are the one getting internships early, acing projects and standing out in the race. Because knowing how to use AI will soon matter as much as knowing how to code. And here's it gets really exciting. So there's a 3-hour live workshop by B10X AI taught by IIT alumni who has already taught 1 lakh plus professionals. And these are the same people who has taught students, working professionals and even teachers how to use AI tools. Now here's what you'll actually get in those 3 hours. And trust me, it's not theory. It's hands-on practical training. You will learn how to build your own personal AI toolkit with 10 plus AI from ChatGPT to many more. Master prompt engineering, which is basically the art of getting AI to give you what you actually want. Imagine you are telling your AI, make me short notes for thermodynamics, and it's done in just seconds. Also, automate your workflow from Excel sheets to presentation to content creation, all done in minutes. And the best part, you will be mentored by Aditya Kachwe and Aditya Goenka, IIT alumni and AI experts who has already trained thousands of learners to actually use AI in real life. And by the end, you will be certified as an AI tool expert, which will instantly make your resume stand out before you finish your college. And I know तुम लोगों के दिमाग में बहुत सवाल आ रहा होगा कि कैसे पता चलेगा कि this workshop is the best? You know what? Not a single learner who has attended this B10X AI workshop has been left behind. Instead, they have become the most valuable person in their teams, their college, their schools, everywhere. Imagine तुम college जा रहे हो and तुम्हें already पता है how to use AI tools properly. तुम्हारे teachers, तुम्हारा fellow classmates सब notice करेंगे यार. And that is how people are going ahead. Not by doing more, but by doing smart. And trust me, in 2025, if you are doing things manually which can be handled by AI easily, you are not just working inefficiently, but you are falling behind. So whether you are preparing for JEE or any competitive exams, you are managing college, or you just want to future proof your career, this workshop is the best choice for you. It's practical, it's beginner friendly, and it's taught by real experts. So if you are ready to start using AI to level up your career or your future, just click the link below in the description and grab your seat at just 9 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. It's just for 9 rupees. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And remember, the one who learned to use AI now, the one will lead the world tomorrow. So yeah, don't wait for tomorrow. Just grab your seat at 9 rupees. Click in the link given in the description and future proof your career. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.